video. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. Today you're gonna come grocery shopping with me because I don't have my little sidekick to go with me, so I need some friends to take along. The reason why my little sidekick isn't coming is because I had to pick him up early from school today because he's sick. You guys know that he's sick, but I got a phone call today because his eyes were like really puffy and like draining, and I called his doctor. The doctor said, you know, that's definitely just like linked to everything else that's going on. Like he has a runny nose and like all this congestion going on. So she's sure that it's more like an allergy thing. And since he's on an antibiotic, she said she's not really like, you know, like that should clear everything up. But she said if it gets worse to give her a call. So I took him home. I got like a cold wet rag and I cleaned his eyes out. It started to look so much better after that. Also, they told me that it started happening like after they took him outside and then he went down for a nap. When he woke up, that's like when they saw everything. So I'm thinking that like he might have some allergies, like pollen, I don't know, something like that. And it happens to my dad all the time, he said, because I called him when that happened. Anyway, guys, we don't have Jack with us, which is really sad. But also, if you've ever grocery shopped with a child, you know that it's like the most horrible thing in the whole world anyway, right? It's seriously the worst. I don't know if your kid has like something that they have to have at the grocery store, but for Jack, it's balloons. So if he sees a balloon, like that balloon is Jack's. Like there is no like telling him he can't have it. He's either gonna be freaking out and throwing himself on the ground the entire time until he gets the balloon, or you just give it to him to begin with and he's cool. So, I'm a bad mom. I don't know. I get him the balloon. I mean, what are you gonna do? Like, people stare. Am I raising a brat? Yeah, maybe. Guys, but you know, like, just trying to survive out here. Just trying to get my grocery shopping done without like a huge scene. But this time, guys, no balloon buying for me. I am flying solo. Today, we're probably gonna go to Acme. The reason why we're gonna go to Acme, we normally don't go there. We normally go to Food Lion. Probably never told you that before. But last time I went to Food Lion, they didn't have 99 lean ground turkey, and it rocked my world. Then I had to go somewhere else to get it, which is a huge pain in the butt. I know that Acme will have it. Watch me say that, and they're not gonna have it and be so pissed. But Acme should have it. Also, they have some sales going on. They can get 8 avocados for $5. I think that's a good deal. I'm pretty sure. They have some other vegetables on sale. So we love vegetables on prep, don't we? We do. I don't really think I have anything else to share with you guys about Acme. So we're just gonna go to Acme. We're gonna get the normal stuff that I always eat, which you guys are probably so sick of looking at and hearing about because like that doesn't switch up. I wish that I was more interesting when it came to food. But we're gonna shop also for treats for Jack. So that might be interesting for you guys because I like to get him like healthy little things, you know, and you guys, you know, probably could eat some of the same stuff that Jack eats and like, you know, maybe take some hints from his healthy little snacks that we got going on. They have an awesome organic section and like all natural, gluten-free, like all that stuff. They have like this whole dedicated section. So we're gonna cruise through there, pick him out some stuff. It's gonna be awesome. Hopefully he will like this stuff because I hate when I buy like a $7 box of cereal and he spits it on the floor. I'ma see you at Acme. Here we are, fam. We're at Acme. We're gonna get some goodies. we're definitely in like the fun organic section where I'm gonna get Jack a bunch of little snacks. Or hopefully we'll find him some good stuff. Alright guys, there's just like not as much stuff as I thought there was gonna be for Jack, but we'll try and find him some other snacks. Family love anything from Annie's. Alright, we're in my favorite aisle, which is the coffee aisle. You guys know. Dark roast. 2 for $9. Organic, dark French roast. Can't beat that. Oh yeah, girl. My oops. Jack really likes these little small little noodles so he can put them on his fingers. It's really cute. But if you have a toddler, get the little tiny ones. Nothing beats a little snuggle bear. Guys, I'm like literally so pissed right now because I'm gonna have to go to another store to get the 99 lean. I jinxed myself. They don't have it. They have 93 lean. I know I sound like a little brat, but it's a big deal. I'm literally gonna end up spending $1,000. Organic, pasta, 2 for $3. Come on. Jack is like all about that life. These are so good for parents. They're just like super quick. So guys, I actually bought those dino nuggets because I sell chicken to the company that makes those. So I know that it's super high quality and amazing, and I want to support them obviously, so why not buy some dino nuggets? Told you in the store, I'm still really upset about the ground turkey. I have to go somewhere else, and the only other place that I can go is the place that didn't have it last time, and just hope that they have it this time. If not, I can sub something else out, like I can have chicken or something until I can find it, because it'll probably only be like a day or so until like they restock. I didn't even see a spot for it here though, and I've gotten it here before. Okay, I'm gonna stop going on and on about the ground turkey, but I jinxed myself. Now I'm mad because I have to go to another store. I'm not gonna bring you guys in there. I'm literally just gonna like cruise in, see if they have it, be really upset or super happy. And that's gonna be that. Guys, I also have a little surprise for you. There's a link in the description box down below, and I have created just like a Staples grocery list for summer shredding. Again, people are always asking, like, what do you eat to stay lean during your off season? Like, what do you eat, you know, to get super lean, you know, when you compete? And the thing is, guys, like, I eat the same kinds of foods all the time. Like, it, like, very rarely changes. Like, it just, the quantities change. I still eat, like, really clean whole foods. It's just how much am I eating, like, what are my calories, what are my macros. So, with that being said, I've created, like, a list. There are, like, a couple little, like, fun processed items on there, like Greek yogurt and Halo Top, things that, you know, are good treats that aren't terrible for you. But mostly it's just staples. So there are some, like, fun if it fits your macros style food things that I could put on there. But it didn't. So this is a Staples food list that will get you guys started. I stand by, like, a clean whole foods diet, so that's what I want to be offering, you know, to you guys. Like, I kind of want to just, like, stay true to what I believe works the best, or what's worked the best for me, for example. So there are tons of different ways to follow. I am, like, not against anyone's way of doing anything. Like, find your fitness, find your nutrition, like, find what works good for you, your body, your lifestyle, whatever. Like, I'm all about that. But I want to show you guys what I'm doing, what works for me, because that's what I know the most about, right? So that makes sense that that's, like, what I'd be promoting. So what you do is just click the link in the description down below, and you just sign up, and then it'll automatically send you the shopping list to your email. Isn't that fun? And it's all divided into, like, produce, protein, dairy and eggs, you know, all that good stuff, condiments, whatever, it's all in there. So that's about it, guys. I'm really excited to, like, offer you that. I'm gonna be making, like, other things that I'm gonna send to you guys, or you guys can, like, sign up to receive them, like workout plans, healthy recipes, like, example, like, what I eat in a day stuff. Like, I don't know, I think it's gonna be really fun to just kind of, like, create that stuff and hand it out to you guys, so you can get, like, a better idea of it, like, written down, and you can just print it and have it, and you don't have to, like, refer back to videos all the time. Even though I love when you guys watch me, I still want to, like, offer you materials to bring, like, with you in your daily life. I hope that you like that. If there are things that you want or need or whatever that I can make for you, please just let me know, and I'll do that, because I love this stuff, guys. I'm, like, super excited to have this channel, super excited to just, like, you know, kind of just, like, be a part of, like, a fitness family. I'm, like, I love connecting to other women, men-ish. I'm more, like, connecting with the women, I have to be totally honest with you. But I've met a lot of, like, cool men through this, you know, group as well. So I'm not hating on the men out there, just the women, you know. You guys are my, like, inspiration, my love, my light. So, not that men can't be inspiring, but, you know, it's a little different with the ladies, isn't it? Because we can just, like, relate to each other more. So, I'm gonna run to the Food Lion. Hopefully they have my lean ground turkey, and that's about it. I'm gonna bring Jack all of his little snacks. I got him those, like, cute little marshmallows. You guys see, like, how bomb those looked? I'm so excited to give that to him. Hopefully he likes it. His appetite has been, like, nothing since he's been sick. So, we're gonna see if that works. Also got him that little OJ. He's never had juice before. He's only had milk and water, but he's not really eating right now, and I just, like, want to boost up his, like, vitamin C level. So I'm just gonna give him, like, some watered down orange juice, see if he'll drink that. Just to get something else in him. He did have some fruit earlier. Anyway, guys, I'm rambling. I'm gonna go. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, please don't give me a thumbs down, because it hurts my feelings. If you are new here and you want to continue to see videos, please hit that subscribe button, and you can get notifications whenever I make a new video, which, guys, lately has been pretty often. So hopefully I can keep that up. Love you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.